welcome.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
Welcome to San Boutique Hotel.
And your name is Kara?
Oh yes, my name is Carl. I'm customer service manager, and this is Mia. Is like the receptionist. Nice to meet you.
All right. So, why should someone come stay with your hotel with you?
Yeah, we are staying in the Old Quarter Hotel, and this location very close to the many place to the visiting and exploring in Hanoi Old Quarter. Please come here. We have a server you. It's like VIP guest. Yeah.
All right. So yeah. So they treat you really well. Don't mind the sweating. That was just me outside. When you come inside, it's nice and cool. You see, and they'll sit you down here and serve you something while you get the room ready.
They always say food and tea. And
Always serve you food and tea when you first come in. And they also have snacks in the room and everything else. And so we're here in the Old Quarter in Hanoi.
And it's close to the train station.
This is
And
one of the
also-
satisfied customers.
Yes, I'm satisfied with the place here. That's why.
Where are you from?
I'm from United States, but I was born in Saigon. So this is kind of like welcome home.
Yes, a good welcome home. So that's what the cow will say to you all.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.